everybody, today I have a very special review for you. First of all, just let me say that this is such a great product. It has helped me tremendously so far. I made the right decision. The best part is that you can reference and ask questions at any time to use this. Order today with confidence, and if you put this information to test for 60 days and you don't see results, and if you feel that this product does not help you, you will receive 100% of your money back. So that basically means that there is nothing to lose. Before purchasing it, I searched to find a discount and I found a huge discount. If you'd like to get the same discount, just visit the link below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
How would you like to have your very own cloud hosting account that allows you to host unlimited sites with faster loading time than you've ever experienced? Imagine if in minutes from now you could enjoy complete website protection with free end-to-end SSL encryption, unlimited bandwidth at no extra or monthly cost, unlimited personalized email account creation, and 100% uptime. All this and more for a low one-time fee. Welcome to HostSquad. And as the name itself suggests, you pay only and enjoy lifetime hosting of unlimited sites, domains, files, videos, and images. Say goodbye to limited subscription platforms, slow loading speeds that are killing your conversions, paying every month through the nose, and the frequent downtimes affecting your sales and profits. HostSquad is the ultimate cloud hosting solution that'll help you skyrocket profits at the lowest one-time cost. In just 3 steps, you'll start saving and making huge amounts of profits. Step 1. Enter the domain name of your choice within HostSquad. Add as many domains and websites as you like. Step 2. Integrate WordPress or any app with a simple click and get started with your very own personalized control panel. The built-in end-to-end SSL encryption keeps your data safe on HostSquad's next-gen reliable cloud servers. Step 3. Access sites from anywhere in the world with no downtime at all. Enjoy limitless bandwidth, inbuilt malware protection, and 100% uptime. HostSquad is perfect for you if you own a business, service, or are a marketer. If you want to survive in this new age digital world. If you'd like to make your websites live. You're looking to retain your profits and avoid paying a hefty monthly fee. You don't want your customers to be pissed off because of slow loading websites. You want to be safe and not pay huge ransoms to hackers in return for your websites. You'd like to earn more by saving more. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on this page hits 0. So hurry. Plus, your sites, files, and images are encrypted and stored, ensuring no one can ever read or access your files or sites, even we ourselves. Take action now. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to what's fast becoming the most preferred website hosting platform for business owners and marketers around the world. Welcome to HostSquad.